Welcome to this MyTrucking video. Today we're going to run through how to import jobs into the system. So with jobs, there are two ways to add them into the MyTrucking system. There is the traditional way of adding in jobs one by one through the method of entering the information and saving the jobs, but there's also another way to enter jobs into the MyTrucking system. For example, if a client sends you a list of jobs or you have a large contract of jobs to complete, and rather than entering them one by one and you have them in a spreadsheet, there is a way that you can make that spreadsheet fit the MyTrucking format, and therefore the MyTrucking system can read the format and automatically upload the jobs. So the first step is to download the MyTrucking CSV file. This is an Excel-based file that will be structured in a way that you can input the information in order for the MyTrucking system to understand and auto-create the jobs. So to get that file, you simply need to go Jobs and to the Import Jobs. From here, you can click on the Download Template file, and this will give you the file needed that you can input the information into. So I'll just open up the Excel file now, and you can see that it is a pretty blank document, and all it is just a bunch of columns with header names that you can input the information in for. Now the thing to note is there are only certain mandatory fields here. Mandatory fields are dictated by if they have a star or an asterisk at the front of their name. So for this we can see we need to have the charge client, the origin client, the destination client, and the product name. So as you can see, I've now entered in all the relevant information needed to import that job. As you can see, I've put in the job date, the charge client, the origin, the destination, and the product. I've also put in reference 1, which in my case is an order number, so I've just entered in some digits to show an order number. Now it's really simple to enter this information. Basically all you need to do is look in your CSV or your spreadsheet that the customer has given you, locate the pieces of information and where they'll fit, and copy them from your spreadsheet and paste them into the relevant column in this spreadsheet. So the next step from here is to save this file and then import it as a file into the MyTrucking system. Okay, here we are now back on the page we were previously. So this is the page where we got the template file, and this is also the page where you would upload the completed file that you want to use for adding jobs. So it's simply just browsing your local computer and remembering where you've saved the file. In my case, I've saved it here under Demo Jobs. So I just need to open that. You can see that'll preload that and give me the title there just to confirm that it is the right import that I'm importing. And then I just need to hit the import button. What that's going to do is it's going to create 8 jobs for me successfully, and that sounds about right because we had 8 jobs in the file there. If there was any errors, the system here would give us an error message and tell us where to look for the error. So it makes it nice and handy if you do ever have any errors in the file. But now what I can do is simply go through to the day sheet and have a look to see if those jobs have imported. And I can see they have. So here's the job for today. So Farm A, Demo Customer, and then we've got a job for the next day to go to Farm B for the Demo Customer, and there's our order number, and it's selected the product for us as well. So what that's done is it's saved us a bunch of time there for the jobs. Rather than entering them one by one, we've simply just copied and pasted them into the MyTrucking format and imported it.